Introducing the UNG self-powered purifying shower head, a revolutionary innovation in personal care. This advanced shower head eliminates the need for filters, harnessing the natural flow of water to purify it with every use. Experience cleaner and smoother water that not only improves the quality of your shower, but also benefits your hair and skin. The UNG showerhead's water-saving technology ensures efficient usage, reducing waste while maintaining optimal performance. The Samsung NZ6 900TM integrates innovation and style with a cooktop that enhances both performance and design. Offering a powerful 575M32H ventilation system, this hob captures cooking vapors and odors swiftly, ensuring your kitchen stays fresh without the need for a separate hood. This clever design allows for flexible installation, even on an island table, while keeping the air clean and crisp. In a world where communication barriers crumble and creativity flows freely, the amzn PG2 stands as a revolution in your ears. These aren't just earbuds, they're a portable intelligence hub packed into a sleek, ergonomic design. Built with cutting-edge GPT-4o and DeepSeek R1 AI engines, the amzn PG2 transforms your listening and speaking experience across borders and platforms. Immersive clarity, uncompromising color accuracy, and true portability converge in the Pepperjobs X10 Touch Pro, a 15.6-inch 4K AMOLED portable monitor crafted for professionals who demand precision. Whether you're color grading in a remote studio, refining edits in a cafe, or presenting sharp visuals on site, the X10 Touch Pro delivers ultra-deep blacks, vibrant tones, and unrivaled detail, all packed in a slim, travel-friendly frame. WavePad's Original 2 pack-adjustable wrist rests are designed to provide lasting comfort and support during long hours of typing or computer use. Crafted with ergonomic memory foam, these wrist pads offer optimal cushioning, reducing pressure on the wrists and helping to prevent discomfort caused by repetitive strain. Whether you're working on a laptop or using a keyboard, these adjustable wrist rests align perfectly with your wrists, promoting a more natural position that alleviates wrist pain and carpal tunnel symptoms. The Opus Soundbed offers an innovative way to enhance your emotional fitness. This advanced hardware is seamlessly integrated with the Opus Emotional Fitness Platform, a system designed to guide you toward personal growth and healing. With 7 channels of spatial sound and vibration, the Soundbed envelops your body in a unique, full sensory experience, delivering tailored sensations from head to toe. Whether you're seeking deep relaxation or focusing on specific areas of tension, the Soundbed offers versatility in how it supports your emotional well-being. Whether you're refining dovetail joints or carving intricate trim, this next-gen electric wood chisel transforms woodworking precision into muscle-powered speed. Engineered for efficiency, the powerful motor delivers high-speed strokes, up to 12,000 RPM, cutting through hardwoods like oak and maple with smooth, accurate motion. Designed for both professionals and serious hobbyists, this electric chisel boosts control, making fine detailing far more manageable than with traditional hand tools. Relief shouldn't be complicated, especially when dealing with the nagging aftermath of a bug bite. The VB's Bite Healer T1 makes post-bite irritation a thing of the past, offering rapid and drug-free comfort in just 10 seconds. This compact electronic bite relief tool is tailored for on-the-go use and ideal for all skin types, even during pregnancy without risk to your baby. Minimalism meets precision with this thoughtfully engineered monitor light bar, tailored for professionals who demand clarity without compromise. The wireless controller puts full brightness and color temperature control at your fingertips, no fumbling with buttons or cords. Whether you're diving into detailed CAD work, editing late into the night, or simply browsing, this light delivers uniform illumination with zero screen glare. Its space-saving clamp design clears desk clutter while maximizing screen real estate. No hands, no problem. Miniso Puru's AirGlide touchless gesture control stand redefines how you interact with your iPhone or iPad. From across your desk or kitchen counter, simply wave to swipe, scroll, or play. Perfect for hands-busy multitaskers, it responds instantly to your gestures so you stay focused whether you're cooking, studying, or presenting. Crafted for stability and precision, this sleek, adjustable stand supports most iPhone and iPad models up to 11 inches. The Washriva Compact Countertop Dishwasher is designed to tackle dishwashing without taking up valuable space in your kitchen. Ideal for apartments, dorms, or any home with limited counter space, this dishwasher packs impressive cleaning power in a small footprint. With a 6-place setting capacity, it can handle plates, cups, and cutlery for up to 2 people, making it perfect for small households. Keeping your indoor air safe has never been more effortless. With its wide 3.6-inch display, the SwitchBot Meter Pro CO2 provides instant, easy-to-read information on CO2, concentration, temperature, humidity, date, time, and comfort levels. This compact yet powerful monitor delivers a complete snapshot of your environment, helping you know exactly when to ventilate for better air quality. Boldly reimagining the golden age of hi-fi with the precision of modern audio engineering, the Luna audio system commands attention from any room it graces. Its 16-bit VFD display glows with retro elegance, casting a soft vintage light while delivering real-time audio data and signal clarity. But beneath the classic aesthetics lies cutting-edge performance. Tucked within its sleek frame is a powerful 4,900 mAh battery, offering up to 12 hours of continuous playback. The Sunco Sunshine Fair Infrared Electric Heater is designed to offer efficient and quiet heating for various indoor spaces. Unlike conventional space heaters, it utilizes far infrared technology to heat the room directly by warming objects and people rather than the air, providing a more natural and comfortable warmth. This feature ensures energy efficiency, reducing energy consumption while maintaining a consistent and gentle heat throughout the room. Equipped with a thermostat, the heater allows precise temperature control, making it ideal for large rooms, bedrooms, garages, and offices. The Framer Creator Micro 2 is the ultimate tool designed to elevate your creative workflow with precision and flexibility. Wireless and lightweight, it blends a tactile interface with the efficiency of customizable shortcuts to give you full control of your digital workspace. Each move you make with the joystick activates a radial menu that's fully customizable, placing essential tools just a thumb's reach away. The 45 keycaps, including the Framer Icon keyset, let you build muscle memory for faster actions. The Singer Heavy-Duty 4452 sewing machine offers a seamless blend of power, precision, and convenience designed for those seeking a reliable tool for crafting and garment creation. Powered by a stronger motor, it delivers enhanced piercing power, enabling you to sew through multiple layers and thicker fabrics with ease. Whether you're working with denim, leather, or quilting materials, this machine can handle it all. With 110 stitch applications, you can explore a wide range of sewing techniques to bring your creative ideas to life. Winding through wooded trails or slicing across open pavement, the One-Wheel Pint S offers an electrifying ride few vehicles can match. The sensation is unique. Part hovercraft, part board sport, all intensity. It's not just a skateboard with a motor. The Pint S takes more from snowboarding than scooting and demands more attention and respect from its rider. At its core is a self-balancing electric motor that delivers surprising torque, and the board responds not with handlebars or throttles, but with the lean of your body. Built for those who demand more than just head protection, this next-generation helmet redefines what it means to ride smart. With cutting-edge tech woven into its carbon fiber shell, it delivers uncompromising strength and seamless connectivity. Whether carving back roads or commuting downtown, this helmet becomes your command center. It features a Bluetooth intercom for rider-to-rider communication within a limited range and a walkie-talkie via app that works across any distance with cellular connection. From online meetings to high-quality streaming, camera placement determines your professional presence. The Mag 2 offers a seamless solution, securely mounting your USB-C webcam anywhere along your monitor without damaging your screen. Built with a precision-engineered magnetic system, this mount balances strength and safety, anchoring to screens up to 0.75 inches thick without leaving marks or pressure dents. Unlike clunky mounts or adhesive solutions, the Mag 2 delivers a clean, floating look with total flexibility. Grating has finally caught up with convenience. With a single touch, this handheld cheese grater redefines how you prep. Engineered for quick access and cleanup, this innovative tool eliminates the need for pre-washing and fits easily into your fridge after use. Whether you're layering Parmesan over pasta or shredding cheddar for tacos, it delivers fine, uniform results straight from your hand. No countertop mess, no wasted time. The grater's ergonomic grip and compact body give you total control over every motion. When seasonal shifts bring stifling heat or stagnant air, the Tello Zet circulator rises to the occasion. Engineered with a jet engine-inspired design, this powerhouse circulator blends aerodynamic form with dual BLDC fans to deliver unmatched air propulsion. From bedrooms to living rooms, and even spacious garages, it throws out a concentrated airflow that travels up to 65 feet, effortlessly refreshing large areas with precision. The dual fan system doesn't just cool, it purifies. The MLR Digital Kitchen Food Scale offers precision and convenience, ideal for baking, cooking, or meal prepping. With a maximum capacity of 22 pounds, it ensures accurate weight measurements for both large and small quantities. Its chargeable LED display provides clear and bright readings in ounces and grams, making it easy to use in any kitchen environment. The scale is equipped with a USB-C rechargeable battery, ensuring long-lasting power without the need for frequent battery replacements. The Lenercom Energon Max Portable Power Station redefines convenience and reliability for off-grid power solutions. Boasting an impressive 3,686 watt-hour capacity, it delivers a robust 3,600 watt output with 5 120-volt AC outlets, making it ideal for both home use and outdoor adventures. Whether you're powering up electronics, lights, or appliances during a power outage or exploring remote camping sites, the Energon Max ensures that you stay connected and powered up. From sunrise runs to late-night check-ins, the Huawei Watch Fit 3 keeps pace with every beat of your day. Crafted with a sleek 9.9mm ultra-slim profile and weighing just 0.91 ounces, this aluminum alloy smartwatch blends modern minimalism with next-gen tech. Its 1.82-inch AMOLED display delivers up to 1,500 nits of brightness, a crisp 347 ppi resolution, and a 60 Hz refresh rate. The Zero Mark II redefines versatility in everyday carry tools. With its sleek and compact design, this innovative pen packs an impressive array of features into a form no larger than a credit card. Crafted from 54 meticulously engineered parts, it transforms into a fully functional writing instrument, making it the perfect blend of portability and utility. This cutting-edge pen is more than just a tool. It's a testament to precision engineering. When collapsed, it effortlessly slides into your pocket or wallet, ready for easy access whenever needed. The Ryobi 40-volt 450 cubic feet per minute jet fan blower is a powerful and efficient tool designed to handle demanding outdoor tasks with ease. Equipped with a jet fan design, this blower delivers a robust airflow of 450 cubic feet per minute and a wind speed of 120 miles per hour, ensuring that even the toughest debris is quickly cleared from your yard, driveway, or garden. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, while the lightweight construction helps reduce user fatigue. Gliding into virtual space feels effortless with this silk-like VR glove tailored for Steam VR users. Weighing just 1.6 ounces, this glove blends ultralight softness with advanced control. Designed for immersive platforms like VR Chat, it captures 42 points of angular motion, enabling precise finger articulation and lifelike gestures. Its embedded Hall effect joystick ensures drift-free navigation, while the responsive A/B buttons provide reliable input at your fingertips. Introducing the Novadrum Tongue Drum 2.0, a refined and innovative instrument that promises to bring harmony to your musical journey. This enhanced version offers a unique double-sided design, providing twice the number of notes and expanding your sonic possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned musician or a beginner, this drum is designed for ease of use while offering a professional, clear sound. With each tongue finely tuned, the Novadrum delivers exceptional sound quality, thanks to precise calculations of distance and harmonic combinations. Skip the store-bought blends loaded with additives. This streamlined system lets you create your own nut, grain, or vegetable drinks right at home. Faster, cleaner, and more satisfying than traditional methods. Everything happens in a single 24 ounces container. Soak your almonds, blend your oats, filter your veggies, and remove the pulp all in one go. No mess. No need for extra tools or multiple bowls. Whether you're navigating a crowded train or zoning in at a quiet cafe, the Sony WFC710N earbuds adapt to your environment without compromising clarity or comfort. Designed for audiophiles and daily commuters alike, they integrate advanced noise canceling with dual noise sensor technology to block distractions using dual microphones. This means more focus on music and podcasts, less on outside chatter. Engineered for endurance, the earbuds offer up to 8.5 hours of continuous playback. From artisan crafts to professional-grade prototypes, the E13D Texture UV printer reshapes how creators bring ideas to life. Built with precision at its core, this all-in-one modular printer blends advanced UV printing technology with compact engineering, making it ideal for home studios, small businesses, and creative entrepreneurs. Measuring under 15 inches on each side, the E1 fits effortlessly onto desktops without sacrificing performance. The Jector Pro Zero Latency MMW 4K wireless transmitter pack stands at the forefront of cutting-edge wireless transmission technology. Designed with professional content creators in mind, it offers seamless connectivity with zero latency, ensuring real-time video transmission with pristine clarity. Supporting both 4K and 1080p resolutions, this device guarantees crystal-clear visuals for any filming or broadcasting setup. This portable pair excels in providing high-quality, lag-free transmission. The Insta360 Flow 2 Pro redefines smartphone videography with its intelligent foldable design, offering seamless stabilization for a variety of content creators. Its built-in tripod and selfie stick features ensure versatility whether filming solo or with a group, allowing for smooth, professional shots.